Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, no, no, no. Money to come in, yeah, yeah. Oh, no, no, no. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, no, no, no. When I left, then I left with pain. Cause I know the price that I need to pay. That is why then I'm moving in my lane. Every day, then I start with pain. Walking under the fucking rain. Every day I take my craft cause I wanna win again. Let me win again. Let my name ring again, 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 again. Let my name ring. Let me win again, again. Let the money come to my DM. Everything just happen in my DM. That is why I work for the money. I hustle for my money. You can see it. I put big money. You can see it. Nigga wanna make vibe with them now. Cause I got the rubber nigga. You can tell me this. You can tell me that. You can call me this. You can call me that right now. Money to call me, yeah, yeah. Oh, na, na, na. Money to call me, yeah, yeah. Na, 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 na. Money to call me, yeah, yeah.